All right, guys, so here we go, week 6 of distance learning. I'm hoping that, like today, as I've been sitting here making videos for next week, it's been kind of rainy and yucky outside. So I'm hoping that by next week the sun is shining and we can all be outside a little bit more. The weather will be really warm. That's what I'm hoping for. All right, so let me show you our sounds for this week, our new ones, okay? So we're gonna study this week what's called hard and soft C, okay? So the hard C sound is the regular sound that you think about when you think about the letter C. It's the K sound, okay? And so here's how I want you to know what the rule is for this. So usually if a C is followed by the vowels A, O, or U, usually it's gonna make the hard K sound, okay, like the normal sound, all right? Now here's the exception. The vowels E, I, and Y are called watch out vowels, and the reason that they're called that is because when you see them, you need to watch out because they change the consonant sound, okay, that they follow. So in this one, all of these are gonna make the soft S sound, like in sense, city, cycle. Okay, so when you see the card, this one you're gonna say K because it makes the hard sound, and in this one you're gonna say S because it makes the soft S sound. All right, let's do our review on the rest of them. All right, so we've got SP, we've got XT, ZOL, FT, ST, KT, KOL, SPR, SQA, SP, SK, SK, DWA, SKR, OLD, OST, ILD, OLT, OO. Okay, this one has 4 sounds. Remember the Y sound when it's a consonant, and then it can be long E, I, or I if it's a vowel. I and IND and end. Sure. Thur. Sk. At and A. Nch. And O. Stir. Cards are sticking. Pull. A. Full. Pull. A. Pt. O. Sn. Spol. Col. E. It and I. Nt. O. Twa. Ult. Ow. And U. E. Dol. Bol. Swa. And. At and E. Tol. I. Ow and O. Mp. And goal. All right, that's it. Join me back here in a few and we'll do the next step.